Do you know all these jade plants are made from just one jade? Do you want to grow all of these jade at home and multiply them at your homes? Keep watching this video where I talk about how to propagate your jades sitting at home. Hi, I'm Anu and welcome to the brand new episodes on My Plant, My Baby. But before we start the conversation, I want you guys to do one thing. Just hit the subscribe button and put on the bell button so you keep getting the updates from us and so that you can grow greener and bushier babies at home. So guys, today we will talk about how to propagate your jades sitting at home. And we are at the back growing more than 15,000 jades where we have these beautiful jades and we are multiplying them here at our farms to give you greener and bushier babies. And if you want to keep doing this at your home, just watch this episode. In this episode, I have this beautiful jade which is slightly overgrowing, and I'll tell you how to begin the propagation method. The phase 1 of your propagation is to look at a healthy plant which has the shoots coming out. So if you have this, I have selected 6 of these, and all of these which we were selling have the shoots coming out. They're growing, the tips are coming up, and we will take the propagation from here. Let's start doing it. So you need to have a good cutter to do that. Since the stems are tender, you can also use your scissors, but ideally cutter like this is needed to get a propagation or a stem like this. So what you have to do is get as many stems as possible from this plant. So I will take all the cuttings . So here is the plant. I have taken the cuttings. Now this mother will in itself become a nice bonsai. If you look at it, this is the shape. This will, once you cut it from here, you will have new sprouts coming in and will get bushier at this place, so give you a bonsai look also. But this has given me a lot of these cuttings which I can use for propagation. Let's see how you can propagate from these. Let's go to the next step of putting these to get the rooting coming out of it. So these are the cuttings. It doesn't have a root basically, so they will not be doing the photosynthesis. The first stage you have to do is, the first process after taking it is to make sure that we get the root fast, for which ideally you should have coco peat at your home. I have a coco peat and you fill this. It's a mix of coco peat, cocoa chips and perlite. Fill your seedling trays. Ideally have a seedling tray like this which has not too big holes. You can also use your trays which you get from Zomato's or when you order food. You can also get these seedling trays. It's available online. If you really want to do a good job out of it, I recommend you should have seedling trays, because what happens with seedling trays is, you know, they also have the pores, so the water also doesn't stays, it doesn't clots. So I have put in the, so that's the seedling tray. You know, I put it with coco peat. What you have to do is just pluck the last leaves out of it, you know, and you start potting it like this. Just take out the leaves from the last node. From the node there will be new roots which will be coming out, and you put, depending on your seedling tray, 4, 6 or even 8 of these. You can put them very close by. our objective with this whole process is to get the roots coming in. As soon as the roots comes in, they will be ready to put it into a newer pot. You can use different size of pots for that. For example, all these plants you see here, these are all the mother plants. They've been grown for almost 3 to 4 years. Tell me how many of you guys have jade at home. Give me a high five below so I know that you guys have jade at home, or how many of you want to have jade at home. For me, it's my favorite. It's also one of the best sellers at Nurturing Green. Very hardy outdoor plant. भगवान का बहुत ही strong बच्चा है ये, so it doesn't require a lot of care also, you know, and does very good even with low care and low watering. So this is how I have put it. Guys, this is the seedling tray which has been made. Now this is just one plant which I have taken a cutting from. So imagine if you take the cutting from all of them, you can have almost, you know, I have put almost 7 to 8 cuttings in one seedling tray, and there are 8 cavities in it. So 8 plants is something you will eventually end up making if you are making a bunch of it. And then out of all these, you can make almost 15 to 20 such plants. Now you can't make a bonsai like this in very early stage. This is almost 2 to 2.5 years old plant. But yes, these seedling trays, within a month, they will start giving you roots, and you will be able to take them out and put it into a pot. Now depending on what size of a pot you can have, so if you want to put it in something like this, which is a tray, so you want to make a shape out of it, which is you can put 3 of these or 4 of these here. If you want to have a pot like these, you can put 1 or maybe 2 also to grow your cuttings. Now depending how many cuttings you can make your own plants. And this is how the propagation happens in this. So that's the second stage, as I talked. Keep the plant in this. Always make sure that they are moist and they've been watered well. Don't overwater them, but even if you're overwatering, these water will come out of these trays. So that's why seedling trays are good enough to have. And they hold the plant well, and the root ball is made really well inside the seedling trays, because there's a lot of oxygen which is going in from here. So once the root starts coming, you need to take this whole step into a bigger pot, and your plants are ready to be grown. So that's our tricks of propagating your jade at home. Anything you guys want to know more about it, give me a buzz, put a comment, or put us a DM and let us know how are your jade going, and we'll love to know that if you're propagating them at home. So that's from us. Thank you for watching My Plant My Baby. Have a nice day.